So after this class, you will have learned a lot of good skills about lace knitting. And you should really be able to tackle just about any lace project that comes up. If you're anything like me, you'll probably get hooked on lace and you'll be knitting lace, 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 and more lace for years and years to come. The reason that I love lace so much is that it's really just a combination of a few relatively simple stitches. It's some yarn overs, some decreases, and knits and purls, really. But even though it's so simple, it can turn into the most amazing patterns and the most varied patterns, really. You wouldn't think it was so simple. So I hope that you'll enjoy it as much as I do.